I'll go back on my old yard, man.
Trump Corona check you and get out there. You better sleep on the same side where you wake up on. Trishana, 8,000. Mother of 3 from Jean.
Alright people, so we are going to talk about with the description of the video you see. But naturally before I jump in it, I would like you to subscribe and like. You see me? So we are going to show you what go on, you know. So popular dancehall artist known as Shenseaa recently posted a video of her, let's say, a long time community or area where she's from, and like it's like basically it was let's say being real. You see me? So, would I like for each and everyone take this as an example, you see me? So want to know say yo it no matter where you come from or the situation on in at the moment, you see me, cause more while that not really determine nothing. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man people. And you know say for tell you the truth, Shenseaa could have fooled me and tell you say yo one of them uptown area or whatsoever she come from. Yeah, cause like when I want looks the same way, but as I say, still is a nice looking female artist, you see me? She rounded if you ask me. Yes, I. Anyways, so in another video with me about Trishana, she also talked about writing one of her singles and the same variant, you see me? So like guys, man, I just jump in it and see it, yeah.
I'll go back on my old yard, man. People see my old yard, yeah, where I used to live before my bus. This is where I used to live. Yeah. Right on the veranda, I must stay and right jiggle, you know. Jiggle. And wine. Mommy, work hard. I'm looking 9 to 5. I'm building my little room. Sorry, I'm showing them my room on my bill. My cute boardroom. My mother, she built.
Also, I'm not gonna lie, Shenseaa is one of them ambitious type of chick there, you see me? Yeah man, them be them like, who's agree? Cause them girl they will like me, you see me? Yeah man, she even drop out of school, start work at 95 just to build up a one board house for her mother just to call like it her own home, you see me? Them way there. Yeah man, I respect that. Yeah man, no jokes, you see me people? Alright, so next up we are gonna talk about Donna Gowie, you see me? She have the Donna program, you see me people? So she have this, let's say, I don't know what them call it. But just let's say yo, she have a person upon it, she named Trishana, you see me? She received over almost like 800 and odd thousand. Not that I'm watching her money or not, but it's just viral all over the media and stuff, you know? And it seems as if this girl is ungrateful, you know? Yeah, and stuff. I want to tell me what you think, you see me? But I just want me here is like, she get support from Donna, you see me? And at the same time, she use her it at the same time, and she in a position where she need it, you see me? But the video with me about Trishauna, I gotta explain each and everything, you see me?
Trishana said, her donation is 800,000 plus what spent already on the house. Please do not call me now, I am busy. I have witness here, the police officers are here, Miss Claudia is here, myself. So I was just running asking her now with the money to take her to the bank. If she still want the house, Trishana see the money, then Trishana says she don't want any house. Does that just say want to go in the bank? Me not make it.
Donna said the 800 and odd she get is 8 grands. And her house already did start work on. But the clip to me just show that after the clip that me I go show you now. You see me? And she's not a very smart person also. That is why she's gonna do like stupid things, you get me? So ungrateful is a part of that. And any other else thing we let down the woman, you see me? But here I go on.
Part 4, as my phone died down by Trishana house, had to come up and get it charged up and start back. So Trishana, $7,000 from Nardia in Florida. 7,000 from, and the police officer?
Yeah.
Okay, come in, let them see please.
No, they're not going to see me.
Oh, but they're not, yeah, they don't want to see it.
They hear my voice, I'm still here.
No, $7,000. And Trishana, 4,500 from D Nantucket. D Nantucket, 4,500. Alright, Trishana, 15,500 from Terry Melissa Mass. I don't know what that means.
Massachusetts.
I'm also.
Officer, be yourself.
Massachusetts.
Trishana, $11,000 from Lorraine in New Jersey. So by the time I'm writing, I'm remember. So by the time I write, my brain get confused. Trishana, $10,500 from Kim and King in New Jersey. Kim and King in New Jersey. Trishana, $6,000 from Marcia McKay in New Jersey. Marcia McKay in New Jersey. Trishana, $6,000 from Makeup by Michelle from New Jersey. Makeup by Michelle from New Jersey. You can't come now, me I do a video, please. Makeup by Michelle in New Jersey. Trishana Burke. Funny. Let me read where this is, guys. 4. Trishana, $5,000 on behalf of the boutique. It's Top Fashion, Kings by Tina, Trends and Tara's of Curves by Tina, and then the 5,000. Trishana, $4,500 from Black Girl Opal in New York. Black Girl Opal in New York. Black Girl Opal, big up yourself. Big up everybody, but me say big up Black Girl Opal. Trishana, $3,500 from Mona in Canada. Trishana, $8,000 from Paula, Shenseaa, and Kira. Paula, Kira, and Shania or something like that. $8,000. Trishana, $21,000 from the 3K in New Jersey. $21,000 from the 3K in New Jersey. I don't remember the time in though. Trishana, $8,000 from Chin in New York. Big up Chin. Trishana, $23,000 from Maria and Christine in Birmingham, England. Maria and Christine. Trishana, $21,000 from Joanne and Grace. Trishana, $21,000 from Joanna and Grace. Oh, I wonder how my mask is.
Yeah, the time will get hot.
Be honest, I could put all of the video in the vlog, yeah? But for the better, I like for subscribe and like. So see you next time.